Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a ceiling in Heartopia easily. First, just tap on the materials icon, this one, and then just tap on floor, and then just use this one. And then next, just place the floor at the top of the room, above the walls to create a ceiling like this. And then checklist, and arrange and place the floor pieces until the entire ceiling area is fully covered, like this. Like this. And after that, just change the color and look of the ceiling. To make the ceiling look uniform with the others, just highlight or select the another ceiling that already has the color and texture, and then just tap on color picker, this one, color picker icon, just tap on it, and then after that just select on the new ceiling, and then just tap on checklist like this, and repeat this step until our ceiling has the same look like this. Okay, like this. And done. Now your house has a clean ceiling in Heartopia. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.